Hello everyone, so I bought this iPod off of eBay about 2 months ago and it's been working pretty great. I installed Rockbox on it and it works just fine, but there are some things that are bugging me, and one of those things is condition, because this thing is about 10 or even more years old. It has quite some scuffs, some scratches, there are dead pixels on the screen, it doesn't look pretty at all. And what I did is I ordered some replacement parts from the internet, from the website called aliexpress.com, and they just arrived today in the mail. And in this video I'm going to install them on the iPod. So I have to warning that this is not a guide. I'm just going to be installing those parts and I'm going to speed the whole process up. If you want the actual instructions, go on the internet and look it up. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it and install all those parts. So it's done, and the whole thing took a really long time, and it wouldn't turn on at first because obviously the battery came discharged, but I connected to the computer, and after some time it worked, and as you can see there's a clear faceplate, which I ordered because I thought it looks cool. And I also ordered a better battery, and you can see that it's thicker now. And if the website is not lying, it should be 1500 milliamp hour battery. And the screen is really bright. It's even brighter than the original one, I think. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and well, yeah, I'll see you soon. Goodbye.
One, two.